Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this kneeling pad that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it yesterday, and I have to say that besides it comes with the pockets, which I think it is really cool, because if you are, let's say that you are gardening and you want to put all your flowers and you want to put everything in your soil and everything, you will need all those utensils, you will need all those tools. So having pockets is actually really good. But I do think that this is one of those gifts that you want to give to mom. Like, a mom is actually really into gardening, into her patio or something like that. This one will really help. Let me show you why. So check it out. This is how you're gonna do it. It's actually kind of like a 2-in-1, I have to say. It's a kneeling pad, as you can see, foldable, super nice and easy to use. Supports about 330 pounds, and it has a really thick pad. This pad is super thick, so it will really cushion that if, for example, you or mom or your wife or whoever is watching this one, they want to actually want to get one of these ones. You will see two things: the thick pad, which is perfect for kneeling, and then if someone is having difficulties in actually standing up, you can actually use this. So that's gonna be how well this one is gonna go. So you have the two ways. You can do the pockets just like this on the side and just put those two pockets right here and make sure that it is has a place for everything. But also, this is what I was just telling you before. This is a 2-in-1. Once that is like this, you can use it also as a bench the same way. You put the pockets on the other side, and this one's gonna become a bench. So let's say that the flower preps or whatever is right here on top of something, you will use this one as a bench as well. So I gotta say, pretty convenient to have, really practical, foldable with the pockets. This thing is a patio and garden must have.